Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video brings you the latest in crypto, forex, affiliate marketing, emerging AI apps, and real estate, plus what to watch out for in 2026. Let's jump right in. Today's short news summary, 13th December 2025. Crypto market snapshot. Bitcoin price range around $92,000 to $94,000 as December unfolds, showing mixed consolidation and potential bullish momentum if key resistance breaks. XRP trading near $2.03 with active volume and institutional interest continuing. So you can look up for this YouTube video, well detailed and projected for the future. You can see 17th of December 2025 by Shambhoraj Kamkar. Crypto quick future note. Consolidation may resolve higher if buyers push above key resistance. Altcoins like XRP show continued institutional settlement use case, worth watching into 2026. Forex and affiliate marketing. Forex. Live real-time platforms remain active with ongoing trades across global FX pairs. Highlights available via major brokers. Affiliate marketing. Crypto and financial affiliate networks are growing as firms push referrals and partner programs into 2026. Trend notes. Affiliates leveraging crypto and forex offerings are gaining traction, especially through mobile and performance-based networks. AI apps and tech. AI in marketing and apps. AI workflows are shaping mobile growth strategies and campaign optimization for apps in late 2025. Human plus AI workflow wins emphasized. AI in trading. AI pattern recognition is increasingly used in financial analysis and trading signals, a prevalent theme into year-end. AI app quick future note. Apps that combine AI insights plus actionable business value, e.g. predictive analytics, automation, will continue to attract revenue and adoption in 2026. Real estate. Today's real estate context. AI-enabled property platforms, e.g. real estate marketplace with AI assistance, are transforming how buyers, agents, and renters interact. Broad trend link. Why no direct 13 December headlines surfaced? AI and property tech platforms are gaining ground across 2025 as real estate continues digital integration. 2026 predictions. Very short. Crypto. Expect range expansions and institutional backup. Key resistance could define breakout direction. Forex and affiliate. AI-enhanced analytics will drive higher affiliate conversions and smarter trading signals. AI apps. Apps built with real utility plus monetization model will dominate revenue in 2026. Real estate. Tech-enabled real estate marketplace and AI tools will continue modernizing listings, search, and valuation.